What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I just got my Ipsy subscription. Yay! So today I'm gonna do an unboxing of my Ipsy subscription and what I got for the month of January. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the bag that I got for the month of January. If I said December, oh my god, please forgive me. I was just reviewing something. So this is the bag that I got for the month of January. It's really cute. It's this marble looking bag, and then when you open it, it has like an inch coming from the top, and it's pink inside with the Ipsy logo. Super excited to go ahead and use this. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the brochure that came inside the pouch. I went ahead and laid everything out so I could just go ahead and show you guys. I want this to be a very easy video, so let's go ahead and get this done because again I am gonna go work out soon. So the first thing on the list is gonna be this Finding Ferdinand lipstick in Very Berry, which is this little guy here. Now I will not be using this, so everyone stay tuned for a Ipsy giveaway that I will customize this bag to give away all the things that I really don't need. But it's in this maroon-ish color, so it definitely would have been cute, but it's just a small little sample size. Definitely would have been really great to use for the full year. Like, I don't go through lip products like fast, so definitely would have lasted me, but I am gonna give that away because I have way too many lip products. So another thing I got was this charcoal bamboo detoxifying body scrub, which is this little guy here, and it is actually really good size, so I definitely will be using this. I'm super excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet, so that'll be fun. And then I have also a Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk, which is this little guy right here. I'm super excited to try this. I really like this little part in the back. It says beauty through Asian wisdom. And if you guys don't know, I am Filipino, so I was really happy to hear something like that. Again, these products are all vegan, so yeah. Anyway, another thing I got was this liquid eyeshadow. Now here's the packaging, right? And it's vegan. So I cannot wait to try that. There's a little bunny that shows it's vegan, blah, blah, blah. I actually am wearing this color right now, so I went ahead and unboxed it. I use it. It comes in a normal size. Like, it's not a little sampler. I can actually use this. So I'm actually wearing it right now. Go ahead and stand back. Yeah, I'm wearing it right now in my eyes, and I think it looks really pretty and really natural. It does give a little bit of shadow, like darkening shadow on my eyelids, so I think that's really cute. It does have a little bit of sparkle to it. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is definitely the liquid eyeshadow that I really wanted. It's my first liquid eyeshadow, so I definitely, like, the moment I got this, I unboxed everything. I opened the whole package just to try that one product. And then I got a brush. It's called Brushes 160F Face Brush. So it matches the bag. So here it is, coming out of the plastic. And this is the brush. So it does match. It does have that matching marble look for the brush. And again, there's the name of the brand that it is. I can't wait to use this. I really don't use too much face products, I guess you can say, but this will be a really good, like, I guess, blush brush. I don't know. I really don't put things on my face because I used to have acne and now I don't have acne. So, but yeah, I will keep the set together though, just because they both match and I don't want to separate the set. So definitely will be using that. So yeah, that's the end of this video. It was super short. Excuse me, I was gonna say small, super short, because again, I am gonna go to the gym. I do have a New Year's resolution that I'm still working on, which is that yoga pose. So everyone, if you haven't already, go ahead and follow my Instagram. It's linked down below. But yeah, I am trying really hard to do this yoga pose. And another thing is, Arturo had his interview today for the DA's office, so I was really happy. I was kind of nervous the whole day just thinking about his interview and if it went well and blah blah blah. But anyway, it did go well. He was really happy, and it sounds like earlier as he was telling me about the interview that everything went smoothly. So cross my fingers on that. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So guys, again, my name is Nicole if you're new to my channel, and this is my vlog. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below and turn on your notifications, because again, I do try to post daily, and then when I do post daily, I try to post like in bursts, so I post like 5 videos at a time, so you'll never be bored on my channel. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace, love you, bye.